Some people never settle. They don't just get things done, they get them done better. We are for them. Since our start in Berlin in 1887, we've never settled for good enough. And we don't think you should have to either. Which is why we design innovations that challenge conventions. We redefine laundry habits so you can forget the rules and trust your machines. We make responsive kitchen tools so you can raise your standards and get perfect results every time. And we don't compromise between style and performance. We believe in responsible innovations that stand out today and help build a better tomorrow, so you can live on your terms while also living up to the terms of the environment. Because we are AEG, and we challenge the expected.